This would take no less than a minute to show you how to set up your scooter to push off from 0 to get off of the 1.8 miles per hour. Bring your attention down to the screen. Turn on 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000. The trigger. Nothing's happening. I need to push off. I'm going to disable it. 1 2 3 4 5. It gave a double beep. I don't know if you heard it, but I just heard it. I'm able to go. Now, if I want to disable it, 1 2 3 4 5. A single beep. I can't do it. Once again, 1 2 3 4 5. That's all there is to it. Double press. I apologize if I got one press, turns the light on. Double press, double press, double press, changes your modes. There you go. Now, that wasn't so hard, was it? Just make sure you go 1 2 3 4 5. Now, can I do it a lot slower? And will it still work? That's the question. Let's turn the scooter back on. 1 2 3 on. I just changed it to eco mode so this way I can see it go. 1 2 3 4 5. Doesn't work. So here we go. 1 2 3 4 5. There you go. 1 2 3. Now that don't work. 1 2. See how slow that is? 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. There you go. EcoRoad EC8. I hope that helped you out, getting you off of the 1.8 miles per hour. If you're having troubles and you cannot do it, make a video. Put it to this video and let me see. Maybe I could tell you you didn't do it fast enough. I'm not sure if you have an issue or your scooter can do it. Thank you for viewing. I'm Fish. See you on many scooter rides.